Good morning, students. In previous class, we started the 16th chapter, Latitudes and Longitudes. And previous class, we discussed about the latitudes. And today we will see about the longitudes. The longitudes are the lines that runs from north to south on the earth are called the meridians of longitude. The longitude, it is a lines, it is running from north pole to south pole. That is the meridians of the longitude. And we can see here all the nations have accepted 0-degree meridian passing through the Royal Observatory, Greenwich, London as a prime meridian. All the nation, it is accepted the Greenwich. It is a place from there we are. It is a prime meridian. It is starting from 0 degree from the prime meridian. It is a Greenwich. It is called the prime meridian from north pole to south pole, and it is having the 0-degree meridian. And from there we are measuring the east to east 180 degree and the west 180 degree. So the numerical value of the longitude varies from 0 degree to 180 degree east and west. Their total number is 360. They are 180 on the east of the prime meridian and 180 degree on the west of the prime meridian. All the meridians of longitude converge at the poles. All the meridians of the longitude, it is touching the poles. Thus, they are the semicircles. And next we can see the characteristics of longitudes. First one, all the longitudes are semicircle, and if we join two opposite longitudes, they become great circle. All the longitude, it is a semicircle. When we are joining the two opposite longitude, it will get the great circle. And second one, all the longitudes converge at the poles. All the longitude, it is touching the poles, the north pole and the south pole. And third one, the distance between longitudes is maximum at the equator, which is about 111 km for 1 degree, and it goes on decreasing towards the pole. And for 1 degree, it is having the 111 km for 1 degree, and it is going, when it is coming to the poles, it is decreasing towards the poles. And fourth one, longitudes help us in calculating time of various places on the earth. The longitude, it is helping us to calculate the times. And fifth, the local time of all the places on a given longitude remains the same. These are the characteristics of the longitudes, and we can see the importance of longitudes. The longitudes helps to calculate the local time of a place, and if we know the latitudes and the longitude of a place, we can locate it easily on the globe or a map. And students, once again we can see what is the latitude and the longitude. The latitude, it is a distance from the equator to north and south pole. From the equator, the north and south pole, what it is coming, the distance, that is called the latitude. And the longitude, from the meridian from east to west, the distance from the meridian east to west, that is called the longitude. And we can see the latitude, it is a circle of different size. The latitude, it is a circle of different size, and the equator is a bigger size circle. The equator, it is a bigger circle, and other circle, it is, we can find out, it is a differences. And here when we are looking at the longitude, it is the same size. From the meridian, it is all the same size. And when we are looking the latitude, it is parallel to each other, and so it is never it is meeting. And here the longitude, it is always meeting, because it is from the north pole to south pole, it is meeting from the north pole to south pole. And when we are looking in the latitude, it is the east to west direction, and when we are looking the longitude, it is the north to south. The direction is, it is a north to south. And here again we can see the equator is the numbered as a, here the latitude, equator, it is a numbered as 0 degree, and from here the 90 degree and the south 90 degree, so the total it is coming latitude, it is the total it is coming 180 degree. And when we are looking at the longitude, it is the from the prime meridian it is a 0 degree prime meridian, and from here the east 180 and the west 180, and total it is coming 360, that is longitudes and time. The earth spins around its axis once in 24 hours. The earth moves from west to east. That is why the sun appears to move from east to west. All the 360 meridians of longitude come under the sun once in 24 hours or one day. Thus, 15 degree of longitude pass under the sun in 1 hour, or 1 degree longitude is covered in 4 minutes. All the places on the same meridian will have the same time. And the local time of a place is that time when the sun is exactly above that meridian. The local time, when the sun it is coming above the meridian, that is the local time. Thus, the time calculated by the position of the sun at noon of a given place is called the local mean time. And the standard time is the local time of a particular meridian which is adopted for the whole of the country, and that meridian is called standard meridian. And for the whole of the country, which time it is given, that is called the standard meridian. And for India, the local time of 82.5 degree east longitude is known as standard meridian of India. And as we can see the time zone, the surface of the earth has been divided into 24 zones. There are as many zones as there are hours in a day. These are the time zone, and the time established in each zone is called the standard time for that particular zone or the region. And the zone do not follow the straight lines but are quite irregular according to local convenience.